Okay, so when you open the NCViewer website, you're going to see the left side with all of this information. You're just going to delete all of it. Just highlight all of it and delete. Then you're going to go to your NC code. You're going to highlight all of it. Control C to copy it. Go back to the NCViewer. Control V to paste it. Once you're finished with that, you're going to try to make it. And for the absolute coordinates, which is the one that we just finished making, it's going to look a little bit different. Your arcs, if you had arcs, are not going to turn out correctly, but that's okay. What I need you to do is send me a screenshot of this simulation. And when we do the next one, it should come out correctly.